making our Christmas memories.
Good morning. What's up, people? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. That was 11. 1. Anyways, the reason why I'm sitting like this in an uncomfortable position is because I want to reveal something. So this happened yesterday night. So the Christmas tree is here. Okay, then let's open this up. I got like a 4 feet one because I don't need itna bada in my room because my room is already quite small. This is actually my first Christmas tree ever. As a family, of course, we have our Christmas tree. We normally just have like one big Christmas tree in the living room. Yeah, this is the first time I'm getting one for my room, so I'm really excited. Looks nicely packed. Okay, so we have the stand. It looks actually pretty good. Normally, whenever I buy anything from Amazon, it's usually with a lot of good reviews. I was desperate for a 4 feet Christmas tree, and right now we're not even in December, so India mein to itna early, there's never Christmas stuff available. So yeah, that's why I had to order it online, and Amazon mein 4 feet ka I could see like really bad reviews, and then I could see this one which had no reviews. I just took a chance and ordered it. Actually surprised with the quality. I really thought this is going to be like super cheap. So let's start putting the Christmas tree.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay.
So I don't know why, but I decided to put the screws on before actually inserting this inside. I mean, Meghna yaar, kya kar rahi hai? Going to unscrew all of this, put the freaking tree inside the stand and then screw it up. Normally I get my dad's help, so I think he does this part and I just like decorate it. Clearly I'm learning new things here. Okay, that was super easy.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay. The first Noel, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd in the fields as they lay.
So the first thing we do actually normally as a family is to set up a Christmas tree the moment December comes, which is why I thought I will set up my very own cute Christmas tree. We are going to buy a bigger tree for like our family Christmas tree, which we will be putting in the living room. I actually really like how it looks, and thanks to my aunt, she lent me her Christmas ornaments. I need to buy new ones. Wait, let me switch on the light. So pretty. I had a pretty like chill morning, relaxed morning, even though I have a lot of work left, like Vlogmas work itself. In today's video, I just wanted to share, of course, my beautiful Christmas tree, and I also want to share some things that I got for my Christmas room decor. It's still very like few things because like I mentioned, not many Christmas related things are available in India as of yet. Anyways, I just want to quickly show you what all I got. The first thing from Amazon is probably the most cliched thing that you could buy for Christmas, but it had to be bought. Okay, for this I have to open my hair. Only then it'll fit me, so you can already guess what that is. Ta-da! How cute is this? Very soft and velvety and feels quite good. But yeah, this is what I got. I will link everything in the description box. I don't even remember the prices anymore. Another thing I got are these marshmallows. This is by Haribo. You would have watched the intro by now, right? Like the Vlogmas intro. Actually, I completely forgot you would have seen the intro because I myself, like present Meghna right now, video wali Meghna, hasn't even made the intro yet. So I have no idea what you would have seen, but whatever it is, I hope you like it. I just bought few small elements that would look really cute and festive for the intro. So I got these marshmallows for that. Ta-da! How freaking cute and adorable is this? So what I'm planning right now is to remove that. Wow, that will be iconic because almost 2 years ke videos have been shot with that background. So yeah, it'll be finally off because you know there's too much green leaf type look happening. The tree is really enough for that. So I'm going to remove that, hang this over, and I don't know, I've honestly not planned it out, so let's see how that goes. Another festive thing I got is this adorable cushion. Look at the colors firstly, and then look at the cute reindeers on it. It didn't come with the cushion. I thought it would. I should have read the title better. Maybe I can set up a cozy corner there and put this cushion there. I still have to see how I'm going to use all of this. I have no idea. This is a snowflake stencil. I don't know if you would have noticed in the intro, I'm wearing a mask and it has snowflakes on it. I would be DIYing the mask. I have this fabric here, and then I thought I could just use the stencil and paint the snowflakes all over the fabric so that it looks really festive and cute. I wanted to find like a nice festive face mask, but sadly there wasn't any, and I just felt it's more apt to put the face mask in the intro just because, I mean, this period is like no other, right? Literally the entire world is going through the same pandemic. We're all quarantined and it's just a very weird phase to say the very least. So I thought this would definitely represent that phase, as well as of course it's Christmas, hence the snowflakes. I think that is all I got. I actually forgot to show you another thing that I got from Amazon. This is a snowman mug. It is so freaking cute. Just look at it. I will remove this. This is a ceremonial moment on my channel because I've never removed that. It is collapsible like this, and you can extend it even vertically. For many of you who keep asking me where I got this from, it's from Lulu Mall in Kochi, so it's not available online. Like, I'm sure it might be, you can just search it up. You do get it in Jyoti Jia's store. Well, they do have a similar plant hanging like this. So instead of hanging it there on top of the Christmas tree, I've decided to hang it on this side because it was looking too crowded there. I also got this copper wire fairy lights from Amazon. It's beautiful. Like, you guys should definitely get this. Okay, I am obsessed with how it looks. I can't wait to reveal it. Are you guys ready? Let's go. So that's how my room looks now. I am so happy with the way it's turned out because it's really giving me the best Christmas vibes. It's still definitely not complete. Like, I'm planning to hang something else since this side we have. Let's see how this goes. This is a very good start. I am super happy. I'll also be mostly changing the angles of the stools. So yeah, that's it for my Vlogmas day 1. Wow, I can't believe I'm ending the first day vlog. Also, every video is not going to be vlog style like this. There will be some sit down videos, and the next few videos may not have the same decor because I did pre-shoot it. So just keep all of that in mind and don't get confused. But yeah, either ways, I will be putting out fun content every single day of December until Christmas. So make sure you are subscribed and hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my Vlogmas videos. And in addition to that, if you don't know this already, I have opened a new giveaway for Vlogmas. If you want to enter that giveaway, I will put a Google form in the comments or in the description box. So make sure you do enter it. I will see you all tomorrow for Vlogmas day 2. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed, and happy December. Bye.
Everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.